So hello everyone. In high stress environments like search and rescue, disaster response or military reconnaissance, operating a drone using complex joysticks and a multiple screen requires extreme training and causes high cognitive overload. So to solve this, we built VDUX, which means voice driven unmanned systems command. So basically, it allows an operator to control complex drone maneuvers using simple hand-free voice commands. So let's walk you through a live simulation of a base security scenario. So before we launch, we need to ensure all systems are nominal. So we can see there is a voice command. So as you can see the right side log, the system instantly processes the command, checking our battery and the telemetry. This is the system log. So the alpha one is ready on the pad. This is the alpha one. Also, let's begin the mission. So when we give the command as lights on, so on the command history there will be the lights on command will be an okay. Also that if you use the command as take off to 15 meters, then the drone will take off to 15 meters. So you notice the real-time telemetry on the left panel updating instantly. The drone climbs and stabilizes at exactly 15 meters without the operator ever touching controller. We can see here status, altitude, speed, heading, battery also. Also we can see the signal. So there is a command reference where you can see what type of command we can able to use. So there are some kinds of commands such as takeoff and landing, navigation, attitude control, hold and emergency, rotation and speed, recon and patrol, systems and camera. So with these commands it can be worked by using these commands. So now that we are at drone, our first objective is to secure the immediate perimeter. Manually rotating your drone perfectly for camera sweep is tedious. With VDUX, it's automatic. So we can use some voice command like scan area. So when we use a command as scanned area, you can see the UAE. It like giving like a scanning the area, and it will produce the output as it can scan the area, and there is no one near the perimeter. So it can able to tell the compound coordinates log 32.990 degree north and 106.975 degree west. So on scanning area, the UI takes over and performs a flawless 360-degree automated sweep. If the operator spots something suspicious in the field, they can quickly investigate. Also, we can use the command like zoom in. So you can see the UI. It is like zooming like the UI interface, in which we can able to observe, etc. So we can control payload functions like the camera optics, enter array via voice. So on going to navigation and the safety feature. Next, we need to deploy the drone to the northern sector. So for this, we can use the command here like fly north. So for this, we can use the voice command like fly north. So you can see at the very next, you can see the canvas map that the drone calculates the vector and moves autonomously towards the north gate. So, but what happens in the chaos of an operation if the operator gives a dangerous command? For instance, ordering a drone into an unauthorized airspace or explosive zone. So, for this, we can use a voice command as fly to the armory. Sorry, let me fly to the armory. So, this type of inactivated commands will be secured for secured and other people's cannot be able to use the commands. Only referred people can able to use the commands. Also, I'm going to dynamic routing and emergency halts. Now let's set up a standard patrol like orbit phase. So when we click type the orbit base, a drone enters an automated circular outwatch pattern. It will continuously monitor the base, but if a certain threat appears like a hostile fire or a sudden storm, the operator doesn't need to fumble through minutes to stop. So for stopping, we can use the command like. So we after the giving the uh, voice input as emergency stop, we can see here the emergency stop has been engaged here. So basically, the system immediately halts all automated routines overriding on the orbit and locks the drone in a steady hover, awaiting for the instructions. So you can see that a few seconds ago the drone was flying, but now it is halted. So with the threat cleared, we can conclude the mission, like return to base. So thank you.